Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video, and thank you so much to Ohuhu for sending me this amazing 18 colored polygel kit, and it absolutely brings so many things. It is such an amazing kit. I have done many videos using Ohuhu's products. I absolutely always love their polygel. So good. So here are the instruction manual, the double-sided brush with the spatula and brush. Then we have some dual forms, and I will show you in closer detail what they look like. If you are interested in using these, you can as well, or you can use tips or full coverage. Here is a nail file, a cuticle pusher, along with some cuticle nippers. I love how I brought all these things, you know, just for you to be ready to work. Very convenient. Also a nail clipper, which is awesome, along with also a lamp. So here is the standard cord with the directions how to use the lamp, and this does go up to, I'm not 100% sure, I believe 34 watts, and this is what it looks like. Very sleek looking, very compact. This is what the inside looks like. And then here we have a slip solution along with top coat, base coat, and matte top coat, which is awesome. And then next we are just going to be seeing all the colors that this brings, and I love how it has glittery polygels, temperature changing polygels, along with nude polygels. So it does bring a combination of all, and all of them are a total of 18, and I believe each bottle is 15 grams. And here are the swatches, and the clear is super clear, as you guys can see, and these are what the polygels look like. And now we're also moving on to a nail drill that Ohuhu sent me. Thank you so much to Ohuhu. What an amazing company. They've always outdid themselves, and I'm just so grateful that they've always chosen me as one of the participants to show their products, because they're absolutely amazing. So thank you so much to Ohuhu for sending me all these goodies. And this is a portable nail drill along with some other stuff. So here's just the manual and the instructions on how to use it, and I will be showing you everything, and I'll also be showing you what it sounds like. So here we have some cuticle nippers as well. Not cuticle nippers, I'm sorry. We have a nail clipper. So this is another nail clipper that we got in this kit, along with a cuticle pusher, and then also our standard plug. Oh yeah, it's already on, so it's already fully charged. If you were to charge it, you'd put it here, but let's test this out really quick. So you just literally, you have 2, 1, and 0. So this is the highest that it could go, and then you would go ahead. Very powerful, very strong, and I think very easy to change to. Let's say you want to clean. Let's see. So after I showed you what the drill sounds like and how it functions, I'm just grabbing a little compact on the go bag that it included and just placing all of my things in here, and it just fit perfectly along with the charger. So that is really nice. So here I'm just going in with this drill bit, and I'm just gonna go in the cuticle area and just clean around it. So I hope you guys are enjoying today's video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys thought about this particular nail set and the polygel kit or the nail drill, whatever you desire. Thank you guys once again, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to let me know that you guys enjoyed. So now I'm just going to go in with the file that this kit included and remove the shine from the surface of each individual nail, and then I'm going to go ahead and use the nail clippers and clip my nails down a little bit because I barely have any, and then I'm going to go and file them down a little bit, and then we are going to go and push back the cuticles. So this is just a continuation of some basic, simple, and easy nail prep. I also went ahead and used the nail drill to dust off the excess. So now that that is all over, I'm grabbing some base coat that the kit included, and then I'm just going to go ahead and apply base coat to all the nails and cure it under the lamp for 60 seconds, and then we will move on to the following step of the tutorial. So these are the colors that I'm going to be using, and I'm just applying them onto this mixing plate, which I definitely recommend you guys invest in a mixing plate. Very affordable. I mean, it costs $4 or $5, but it's definitely needed because if you want to mix gel polishes or whatever the case may be, it is very important in my personal opinion. So here I'm just placing them on this mixing plate. Then I'm just going to mix these colors all together, and I'm going to start and go ahead and apply them onto the nail. But before that, I will be applying some really beautiful gold embellishments to go with this particular nail look, and I ended up not using the foil that you guys see on the left side of the video. I don't know if you guys could see, but I did bring out some like rose gold foil that I didn't end up using in the end. I decided just not to, or that's more like a copper color. Yeah, that's definitely more like of a copper foil, gold leaf foil. I just decided not to use it. So here I'm just mixing it together, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use some slip solution. These are the embellishments, and now I'm gonna use some base coat. I'm gonna apply them inside each of the nails, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply my little gold embellishments, cure it under the lamp, and get ready for application. And this is my favorite method of doing the lazy girl method, just because when I use this particular stand, which I always recommend, you can get it on Amazon. I don't know if they're available or not, because sometimes they are sold out and sometimes they are available, but I definitely recommend you guys get your hands on these because it just levels out the polygel on its own eventually, and it's super easy to work with. I really don't like the individual ones just because sometimes they fall off. It's just not as convenient for me personally, so I definitely recommend and love this one. This is my ultimate favorite, and I have loved doing my lazy girl methods on this stand. So here I'm just going in with some of the gold embellishments, and I did apply a little bit more than usual when it came to the base coat because I wanted it kind of to drown in the base coat for it could stick and cure properly, because I didn't want them to be moving during the application of the polygel. So now we're moving on to the polygel application, and as you guys can see, super smooth and easy to work with. It's not runny at all, and I used it with the slip solution. I'm pretty sure it works just as well with the base coat, but I just wanted to use everything within the kit that I could. So as you guys can see, very simple, very easy, and very smooth. I always like applying the polygel at the cuticle part and then dragging it all the way down. It just makes it easier for me, and I find it that it covers the majority of the nail most of the time. So I definitely like doing it this way, and yeah, you guys can see for yourself, very easy application, very smooth. It isn't runny and it's not so stiff. It's literally perfect. So yeah, that is what I'm doing, and I'm sorry I'm saying so much. Sometimes we repeat words and we don't really realize till we do like a voiceover or we hear ourselves. But yeah, I'm sorry, and I just said it again. Wow. Yeah, so here I am just going to continue to apply the polygel onto the rest of the nails, and then I'm going to apply them off camera. Pretty much the way that I apply them, I just apply the nail right on top of my nail bed. I cure it under the UV lamp for 60 seconds, and then I move on to the rest of the nails, and I do that for each individual nail, and then I will show you guys how I do the rest of the process of the tutorial. So I hope you guys are enjoying. I really enjoyed creating this video for you guys. It was so much fun, so I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. So here, as you guys can see, I am just buffing the cuticle area to make it look more plush and natural looking, and you guys will see the final results. So now I'm just grabbing some hand sanitizer that's like in spray version, and then I'm going in and dusting off everything with this little brush right here, like a manicure brush. I don't know what this is called, but it's a very useful. So that is what I'm doing to the nails, and then I'm just grabbing a lint-free wipe and removing the tacky layer from the nails along with the cleaning them. Once we're done, we're gonna go ahead and apply the top coat. So here I'm just briefly applying the top coat to all the nails, and then I'm going to go ahead and cure it under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. So now we're going to be applying some cuticle oil, and that is it for today's tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the notification bell to never miss out on any uploads. I love you guys. Till next time.